Hello, folks. My name is Kenneth McKinney, and I'm from Houston, Texas. And today we're going to talk about a new program that's going to be available online called RocketCast Cycler version 2, or also known as RCC V2. And I'm very excited for the launch of this program because I did very well in version 1. There's going to be some drastic changes to version 2, which I believe are going to make it much, much better than the first version. Version 1 started on about the 18th of December 2012, so it's been running for a little over a year right now. And I can tell you there's been a lot of people that have made a lot of money, and I'm real proud to be, a part of version 1, and also proud to be in version 2 also. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the program today and going to show you how easy it is to get into the money. The cost of this program is a little bit higher than version 1, but the payout is just about twice as much each time that you cycle. So what we're going to do is kind of flip through a slideshow here. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead and go to the second slide here. And basically what this is what I feel are the three keys to online business success. And first of all is timing. These kind of programs, if you're lucky enough to be in at the very beginning and be able to, get yourself in at the very launch or pre-launch of the program, obviously you're going to be at the very tip top of all the people that are yet to come into the program. I think version 1 had something like, a little over 10,000, maybe 15,000 people, which is not a lot for these kind of programs. I worked a pre-launch program one time for about 6 months before it actually launched, and we had an upwards of 500,000 people that were in that program by the time it launched. Unfortunately, it was just a disaster. There wasn't any money to be made in it. It was a big waste of my time and money. But I can tell you that I have physical proof that this program works, and definitely version 2 is going to work just as well. So the key things to be able to look for in a program is timing, which your timing's perfect in version 2. Positioning, which means getting yourself in there with the right team and getting positioned as high in the company as you can. And then, of course, what I think is one of the most important things is support. You've got to have an upline support. You got to have people that are there to back you up and, to be able to help you with three ways and to be able to talk to your prospects. Because let's face it, if you don't have any track record with the company or you don't have anything to really show people, it's really hard to, confirm with people that the program works. So I can tell you that all three of these items you definitely get if you join our team. And I can tell you right now that I've already pre-enrolled 5 of the strongest marketers that I've actually ever, ran across in the industry. I guess with my track record and my reputation online, I was able to go ahead and get myself positioned in pre-launch with some of the strongest guys that I've ever met in the industry. So I'm really proud to have these guys on my team. So basically, the big difference in version 2 versus 1 is that you can only have one position in version 2, which I really like. In version 1, when you came out of the 2x3 matrix, they actually gave you a free e-pin, and we were instructed to, start another position. So that really kind of conditioned people to get in the habit of having multiple positions in the company. And I thought, about 3 or 4 months after I really began the first version that having more than one position is really a bad idea because, you end up just enrolling 2 people and then you move on to the next position. And the problem with that is you never really focus on one position at its core, which is important because the more people that you enroll underneath the solitary position, the more people that you've got following you into these matrices, and the faster that you're going to cycle, and the faster you cycle, the more money you're going to make. So I'm proud to say that version 2, they're going to be very strict on just having one position. Now, of course, if you've got a wife or family member that wants to have their own position, you're going to be able to do that. But if they find people that are coming in and buying positions to leverage themselves through the matrices quicker and stuff, that you could be in jeopardy of losing your not only your first position but any position that you have in the company. So we're definitely telling people to don't try to sidestep this and just stick with one position and go wide is what they call it, which means just continue to enroll as many people as you physically can underneath that very first position. So the buy-in to version 2 is a one-time $499. And then there's a $70 a month that can be paid. Now that's something that you can do or you don't have to, but I highly recommend it because it's going to create some residual income that you're going to be able to make month after month, even if you're not cycling, during that time period. So it's a way, to make money, every month in the program without, having to worry about always cycling all the time. So the $70 a month starts 30 days, after the program launches, and as long as you get your 2 people, which is what is required to be qualified in version 2, as long as it was also in version 1, then you're really in profit right out of the gate. So you'll have to set up some kind of auto pay or something with a credit card and make sure that $70 a month is paid. But we'll get into that in a little bit here in the future of this webinar. So you got to have 2 people to be qualified, and we're going to take a look at what that means and how the boards and stuff work here in just a second. So what we're looking at right here is what you'd see in version 2. Everybody starts in what they call a 2x3 matrix, and the reason they call it that is basically you've got 2 people here that's on your first level, and it's 3 levels deep. You got your first level here, your second level here, and your third level here. So that's why they call this a 2x3 matrix. Now, anytime you come into the board, there's only 8 positions that need to be filled along the bottom of the matrix. So that means that, the very top, the first level and second level will always be filled up with people before you come into the program. And, whenever you enroll, they're always put in from left to right. So you can see Whirlwind was the first person that was enrolled after this board broke. And, the very next person that's enrolled on this particular board would light up this second briefcase here, and then the third person would light up this one, and so on and so forth until it gets to the very end and this last briefcase turns green, and then the board will split down the middle, and we'll talk about that in a second here. But what I want to cover first are what the colors represent. So when you buy into the program, you basically get a green briefcase, and that just signifies that you've paid your one-time $499 and that you're enrolled in the program. And then when you enroll your first person, your briefcase will turn blue. And then whenever you enroll your second person and you become qualified, your briefcase will turn red. And then if you enroll any more people, after that briefcase is red, all that does is mean that you're going to have, more positions following you into the pay boards. And then that also creates additional residual income, that you'll earn. But what's really neat about version 2 versus version 1 is that you actually get paid before you leave this 2x3 matrix. Whereas in version 1, if you were at the top where Jason is right now, the board would completely have to fill. And then once this board broke and Jason got pushed out, then he would earn, his first commission. Whereas in version 2, as you can see, I've got the money listed below the briefcases here. When you're, lucky enough to get to the top of the matrix, then you actually get paid instantaneously as this bottom row starts to fill in. So actually, Jason, would have already received $50 when this person came in, Whirlwind, and then when the next position lights up, Jason would make another $50, and that happens until you get to the 5th position, and he would earn 100. And then each time somebody fills in, until the board breaks, he would receive, $100 each time somebody comes in. So if you do the math here, you actually make $600, by the time you leave the 2x3 board. So you actually get your $500 buy-in back plus your $100 in profit at that point. And so what happens when this last rocket fills in is the guy at the top, he gets pushed out, and he's going to land in a 2x2 matrix. And I'm going to show you what that looks like here in a minute. And then what happens is the computer looks at all the colors, and anybody that went out and hustled and got their 2 people and turned their briefcase red will have seniority over the blue and the green briefcases. And then the blues, of course, they have seniority over the greens. So let's just say hypothetically that everybody that came into this board, were just green, just for conversation. then what would happen is, since this person life begins is already red and rock solid didn't, turn his briefcase red, then what would happen is this guy right here would actually jump to the 2 line and in essence go to the pay line when the board splits, because if you remember, the person at the top leaves, and then what happens is this board literally splits right down the middle, and then the computer will fill in 8 new gray briefcases on the left and 8 new gray briefcases on the right, and then the procedure starts over again, and then flyby would actually be where Jason is right now on the left board, and then life begins would be where Jason is on the right board, because he would end up jumping over the top. Now, seniority in the program is always by color, which is red, has the top priority, and then blue, and then green. And then seniority is by level and from left to right. So the person that's got the most powerful position, of course, is the guy at the very top, and then it goes left to right. So it would be this position, then this position, and then it goes to the second row, and you got this one, this one, this one, this one, and then it drops down to the last row, and this one, all the way to the end. So the lowest guy on the totem pole is the last guy that comes into the 2x3 before it splits. So this is what they refer to as a 2-get-2 program. So if you look at this little diagram here, this would be yourself at the top, and you would need to enroll 2 people to become qualified, and then each of those 2 would need to enroll 2, and so on and so forth, all the way down through the program. So, I mean, it's a very simple program, and I can tell you that out of the 30 or 35, 40 programs that I've been involved in the past 2 years since I've been marketing online, this is by far the most fun and entertaining program that I've ever been in. And also what really makes this thing an easy sell is not only the enormous money that can be made in this program, which you're going to see in a moment, but also the value of the products, which we'll talk about also. So, okay, so back to the matrix here. This is the 2x3. Let's say that this board filled up and this board split and it became 2 separate boards and Jason gets pushed out. Where we're going to look right now is where would Jason McCracken go if this board was to split. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you here in 1 second what it looks like to go to a 2x2 matrix. But as you can see right here, I call this program a no-brainer. Basically you can easily earn up to $10,000 in the next 30 to 45 days. And like we said, that whenever you get pushed out of the 2x3 board, you get your $500 back, plus you make an extra 100, so you're already in the profit. And then as long as you get your 2, you're already in the profit in the residual income part too, which we're going to cover here in a few seconds. So we're going to look at a 2x2 matrix now. As you can see, this is a 2x2. The reason being it's got 2 people on the first level and it's 2 levels deep. So basically the way the 2x2 board works is the 2x3s and the 2x2s are feeding the 2x2s. And what happens is when the 2x3 breaks, the person would get pushed into here. So let's say that Jason McCracken's board broke, and let's say that his sponsor is in this 2x2 board, then he would land right here in this very last position. And what would happen was this board would break also, just like the 2x3. The 2x2 would break right down the middle. Here's Jason at the top. Jason actually would be coming into the bottom of this board. So this is obviously a snapshot of, Jason's board once he made it to the top of the 2x2. But if he was feeding into here from the 2x3, he would land on the bottom row. Just like the 2x3, these 3 positions are already always colored and filled in before, the bottom line fills in. So it only takes 4 people to enter the 2x2 in order for it to break. And the way you get paid is when the first person lands in the bottom of the 2x2, which it fills from left to right, just like the 2x3, the guy at the top would earn $1,000 when the first person came in. When the second person comes in, he'd make another $1,000. When the last person or the third person comes in, he makes $2,000. And then when the last position fills in, he makes $3,000. So you actually earn $7,000 every time the matrix breaks and you happen to be at the top. Now, what the colors in this board represent is there's only two colors in the 2x2. You're either green or you're red. So when you leave the 2x3, your position will go from red back to green. And then the way you turn red in the 2x2 is one of the people that you enrolled need to follow you into this board. Okay, so since there's only 4 available positions, you got a limited amount of space in here that one of your people can follow you in before the board breaks. And so that's why it's such a blessing in version 2 to enroll as many people as you can underneath your position, because in version 1 we were taught to simply get 2 people and then move on to the next position. And the downfall to that is, a lot of times the 2 people that you enrolled, they wouldn't get their 2 people, so they would just stay stuck in the 2x3s. And here you're up in the 2x2s, you've done your job, but you keep getting jumped by anybody that comes in here and is able to turn their position red. So I actually have got one position in version 1 that, the board broke like 7 or 8 times, and I never could get to the top because, everybody that was coming into that board, was duplicating nicely, and they were getting their 2 people. So I wasn't able to ever go red, and, I missed out on, probably a good $5,000-$10,000, maybe even more dollars in that particular position because the people I enrolled ended up getting stuck. And so I ended up having to buy another position and turn it red, and it just recently, in the last week or two, actually finally broke out of the 2x3 and is now in the 2x2, and it's red, and it's finally going to earn some money. But it took me taking the initiative to, start another position personally and do what it took, to get that position into the boards, the 2x2 board, so that I could earn. But, the great part about version 2 is you're only going to have one position forever. So once you come out of that 2x3, you just continually cycle the 2x2 boards for the life of the program. And I can tell you the owner has built this program to last for the long haul. Version 1 was kind of like a beta test or kind of like a test run. We know the program works, and, they realized that it was just a flaw. Giving out free e-pins and positions, and, really the best thing to do is for everybody to have one position and just continue to enroll as many people as you can, in underneath that very, solo position. So the benefit to that is, instead of just having 2 people that are following you, if you enroll 5, 10, 15, 20, 100 people, then that just means that you're going to turn red so much quicker in the 2x2s. That means these 2x2 boards are going to fill up a lot quicker, and that means that, the speed of this program is going to be a lot faster. People are going to make money quicker. We're going to cycle quicker, and it's just going to be more fun. I can tell you that it was fun in version 1, but with these boards splitting up and, breaking a lot quicker and people making money faster, it's going to be even more fun than it was in version 1. So, okay, so basically when you're about to fill in this last position and you're at the top, you can check a box or something in your back office to go ahead and opt in to going into a small 1x2 or 2x1 they call it. And what that means is when you vouch to do that and this board breaks, now you're going to get pushed out and into another 2x2 where you'll automatically start the procedure over again. But if you've went ahead and opted in to doing the 2x1, what'll happen is when that last position lights up and that $3,000 is made, if you've opted into the 2x1, what'll happen is that $3,000 will get pushed over here into the 2x1, and what'll happen is the guy at the top, he makes $3,000 when the first person gets pushed in, so that means that, he basically got his $3,000 back, and then when the second person comes in, he makes an additional $3,000, and then that position just dissolves. And you can do that every time you cycle the 2x2, or you can do it just one time, or however often you want to do that. But instead of making $7,000 each time you cycle the 2x2 and the 2x1, you make $10,000. So it's a way to double down and make $6,000 on that last position rather than $3,000. Now, here's the key to that. You need to make sure that if you're going to do that, that everybody on your team is on board with that, because the only people that come into the 2x1 are people that you personally enroll. And so you've got to make sure that they're on board with that, because if you're the only guy that's, signed up for that program, and then everybody else is just taking their $3,000 and moving on, you could sit there forever in that 2x1 and never double up unless you've got everybody on the same page. So it's important that if you're going to take advantage of the double down, that you make sure that you train your team, to do the same thing, so that everybody just moves right through there and everybody doubles up before they move on. So that's how that works. And this is the residual income part. And the way this works is, you've got your sponsor, and then you've got yourself, and then you've got the people that you enroll. So basically, here's you, and let's say that you enroll 2 people. You make $50 a month on your even number of people you enroll, which is your 1, 3, 5, 7, and you make $25 a month for your odd, and that's month after month, and that's, for each 2 people that you enroll. So if you enroll, 4 people, you'll be making, $150 a month. Now, of course, you're paying $70 a month. So when you enroll your first 2 people, you're already $5 a month in residual, okay? But what happens also is that you earn, 2 levels deep. So for each person that you personally bring in, when they enroll their 2 people, you make $25 a month off their even roll-ups, and then you don't, it's same thing as you're passing up 25 to your sponsor. Your enrollees are passing up 25 to you, and that happens 2 levels deep, and that happens for each 2 people that they enroll. So that's why it's important, to make sure that you enroll your strongest marketers in your even positions, because you'll get an extra $50 2 levels deep for each 2 people that those people enroll. So, as time goes on, the more people you bring in, obviously you're making $75 a month for every 2 that you bring in, plus you get $25 for every 2 that they bring in 2 levels deep. So obviously the more people that you personally enroll, and then the more people, that the people you bring in enroll, the more that you'll earn on this residual income. And this is something new to version 2, and it's nice. I mean, even if it's an extra $150 a month, $250, whatever it is, it's just extra money that you wouldn't even earn in version 1, and it's something that's new to version 2. And this is to keep people engaged and keep people going wide, to motivate people to try to just enroll as many people as they can. And of course, you want to help all your people duplicate, and you want them to get 2, but of course it's better for them to get a minimal of 4, because you can get paid down 2 levels deep for every 2 that you bring in. For every 2 that they bring in, you get paid down. So it's important to be there for support, like we talked about on slide number 1. Help your people get their people and help them duplicate, and that's not only going to maximize how fast you're going to cycle the 2x2 boards, it's also going to maximize the amount of residual income that you can earn. So that's really exciting. So here we're going to talk real quick about the products. The products are enormous. Our founder of this business actually created this X-Guy software, and it's basically a blaster that you can use to blast out messages to everybody that's in your Skype. Downline, you can use the Skyscraper software to build your Skype list, and then you use the X-Guy software to be able to, send out periodic messages and stuff to them. And so these 2 software suites, they work together hand in hand, and I can tell you they're very effective. I was able to, find some of my best builders in version 1 using these 2 pieces of software, so I can tell you that they definitely work. It also comes with a capture page system, which will be integrated right into your back office. And this is going to come with, splash pages and stuff that you can use to send information to your prospects or to your email list. And then they have an opportunity to opt in, which means they put in their email address and hopefully a phone number. And it has a autoresponder system that automatically does what they call dripping on them, which means just sends out periodic emails, and you can set that to set up emails to go out daily, weekly, or monthly, or however often you want to follow up. So that's a system that's going to come, right in your back office, which we didn't have that in version 1 until, quite a bit later after we got cooking on that. So that's something that the owner went ahead and integrated right into the back office, which is nice. And then it's got a transformation station, which is just a nice collection of over 200 ebooks and books on MP3 that you can upload, basically to any phone or Nook or Kindle or anything that can, actually utilize a PDF read format, which is, by Adobe, or an MP3, which basically means just about, any smartphone, iPhone, iPad, anything like that will be able to utilize this, these different books and ebooks and things like that. And also they're going to be adding a ton of videos and stuff too. So, I mean, if you just simply equate the ebooks and the books on MP3 at a modest $10 a pop, and you're talking about well over $2,000 worth of just books. I mean, it doesn't include the software, that doesn't include the videos that are coming, it doesn't include the lead capture system. So that's one thing that really makes RCC stand out. Is not only the money that can be made, but also the amount of value in the products. And these are two brand new products that are coming in shortly after we launch. Just for version 2, we've got a Facebook Ninja. I don't know exactly how that's going to work, but obviously it's some type of marketing tool that you'll be able to use to market to people on Facebook. And then it's got some type of Twitter app that I would guess is going to be used also to market to people on Twitter. So these are two brand new items that are coming just for V2 members, which is exciting. So that even adds more value to what you're going to get for your one-time $4.99. So what we're going to do real quick is we're going to recap, and then we're going to go ahead and just wrap this up. But we've got only one position in version 2, so there's no stalled out boards, there's no spill by wheel, which was, I think, a big flaw in version 1. And that was just basically a way to help turn people, from green to blue or from blue to red. If you enrolled more people than your initial 2 underneath any one position, it would create the spill by wheel credit. And then basically you could go out and you could help turn people, do a color change, which I thought was a flaw, because I tell people that, if you can't simply enroll 2 people into RCC 1 or version 2, to don't come into the program. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your money. Don't hurt your team. Simply get 2 or don't come in. And don't take that the wrong way. But getting 2 people is not very hard, especially if you've got good support and you just simply open up your mouth and share this program with people. So we say there's no free rides in this version. Either get your 2 or stay stuck in the 2x3 and never earn. So it's really that simple. So, and also we've got expanded personal profiles, which we didn't have in version 1 until, towards the latter part of that program. And what that means is now, whenever you fill out your enrollment form, we highly recommend putting a good phone number in there so that people on your board can contact you. Of course, the more that you huddle up and you team together and the more you work together, the more you're going to help one another succeed. And if you got somebody that's a little slow, a little prod, never hurt anybody, to go ahead and get their prospects on the phone with your team and get them qualified and get them up into the pay boards. Stalled out positions just helps. It hurts everybody. So now we can actually get in touch with anybody that's on our boards. So really there's no excuse not to get your 2 people and to get qualified and earn in this program. So make sure to fill out your enrollment forms completely. If you don't have a Skype account, get one before you sign up. Make sure you get your ID and get it in your back office so your people can get you on a Skype list. We have a lot of team rooms that are put together to where you can always get answers to your questions. It's a way to keep your business right in front of you. Everybody knows out of sight is out of mind. So as long as you're keeping your business in front of you, then you're going to stay active, and it's really going to help put more money in your pocket. So Skype is really the greatest tool that was ever, designed, and it wasn't designed for marketers, but it really works very well. And our core products are centered around Skype. So make sure you get yourself a free Skype account. It is worth every penny to upgrade your Skype. And so that you can do instant webinars by just dragging and dropping people onto an existing phone call. You can call people anywhere in the world. It's very inexpensive. if you upgrade to the all-inclusive United States and Canada. I think I spend about 150 a year to upgrade my Skype, and I can just, add 20, 30 people to an existing phone call, and I can call them on a cell phone or a landline, or if they're on Skype, I can just simply drag and drop them onto a call. And I mean, you can build an instant webinar and be able to share your screen and everything with Skype. So that's really a powerful tool, and I highly recommend using it for, everything you can get out of it. You also want to put your Facebook user ID and your Twitter contact. This way, you can stay in contact with all your team, and it really does help, build your team and to be able to make more money in this business. So fill out your information, as thorough as you can, okay? So another big, pro to this version 2 is that you earn before you leave the 2x3. You're already $100 in profit. You get your money back before you even, come out of that 2x3. So that's really a nice addition to version 2. You earn $7,000 every time you cycle the 2x2, and then you can double down and basically earn an extra $3,000 through the 2x1 by choice. So then you're going to make $10,000 every time you cycle those two boards. You're going to make $75 in residual income, which is going to put $5 in profit every month in your pocket as soon as you enroll your first two. And then, of course, like we talked about, you're going to get $25 per enrollee on the even number signups, 2 levels deep on the residual. We've got 2 added software suites like we talked about, Facebook Ninja and the Twitter app. Plus, they've added a ton of new books and videos and audios to the self-help section. And then they're adding they've already added it, the VX Gateway e-wallet processor, which is going to be integrated. And I tell you, I've been told is a very, very, easy enrollment. It's not like Solid Trust Pay or Payza where, it happens very quickly. Matter of fact, I got a teammate that signed up this morning, and he already contacted me and told me he's already going. And so it's very easy to get paid. And so, guys, this is the fastest money generator on the planet. So, contact the person who invited you, to this video. And like I said, my name's Kenan McKinney. I'm from Houston, Texas, and I appreciate you listening in, and we look forward to getting you on the team. So have a great day.